This 2021 Forest River Vengeance Rogue 32 volts is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, 17022 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.